Whispers from the Brighter World. Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj. Thursday, November 25th, 1999, 8 am. We will not dwell on the differences in social classes. They are necessary. It takes all sorts to make a world. On the other hand, we will not revert to the fact that it is for each one of you a plan concerning your evolution. As much as you can, help your brothers in difficulty. All this misery all over the world is insupportable, even if we know the profound reasons thereof. The mighty will never satisfy their thirst for more and more wealth. Some of them do help their fellow men. Most of them continue to sink into a depressing karmic debt. You know the rules. They are subtle and terrifying in some respects, but right. Sooner or later, one's debts should be paid. It is the rule of the game, and you knew it before even uttering your first cry here below. To a man who is not familiar with this way of seeing, there is injustice everywhere. He lays the blame on his human brothers, on God in whom he cannot believe, and he suffers thinking he is abandoned in this sad breeding ground. Some beggars are illuminated from inside, and they bless all that move around them. They thank the Creator, they are wise men, and you do not know it. Babuji. Thursday, November 25th, 1999, 10 am. We are repeating ourselves. We have to, as the human beings forgets easily. It is one of his characteristics. He only keeps a little amount of the whole mass of information that hits him. A kind of natural selection is made by him, and generally he retains that suits him. As far as you are concerned, you cannot retain all that is contained in our books and our speeches. Some key points have struck your mind, and you are imbued with the spirit emerging from the whole. That you are following this way shows a profound, sincere, and heartfelt call. Therefore, you already belong to a special category. Time and the work which is taking place in you facilitate a rather broad open-mindedness on all that relates to the spiritual. Even if the information does not remain fresh in your mind, it nourishes you very deeply. Read again our teachings. With the passing years, you will discover things that had not struck you on the first reading. The truth will appear to you. You will be amazed to realize that previously you had missed the very thing that you discover now. You will be able to see from this sign of your progress and the distance you have come. Babuji. Thursday, November 25th, 1999, 5 pm. In meditation with Francois and Anne Mary. My son is not a schoolmaster who punishes. Until now, he has shown his attachment to France rather often. Tell your friends that they are not forgotten. They are sensitive enough to feel the effects of his work. Babuji.